Welcome to English Podcast.
From Speak English with Ease.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English with Ease, the channel where learning English is easy, natural, and fun. I'm Alianna.
Hello, Alianna. It's so good to be here today. I'm really excited about our conversation.
Me too, Jackson. You look very happy today. Did something good happen?
Actually, yes. I spent the whole weekend at home. I did some cleaning and made a few changes.
Oh, I love that. Cleaning is hard work, but after that, the house feels so good.
Exactly. It feels like a new home. I've been thinking a lot about my house lately.
That's perfect, because today we want to help our listeners talk about their homes in English.
That's a great idea. If a friend visits you, you need words for your rooms.
Yes, or when someone asks you, where do you live?
That's a very common question. I get asked that a lot.
So, Jackson, tell me about your home. Do you live in a big house or a small apartment?
I live in an apartment. It's not very big, but it's very comfortable.
How many rooms does it have?
It has 2 bedrooms, a living room, a kitchen, and a small bathroom.
2 bedrooms, that's nice. Do you use the second bedroom for guests?
Actually, no. I use it as my home office. I work there every day.
A home office is very important. What do you have in your office?
I have a desk, a big chair, and many, many books. I love books.
I know you do. Is your desk near the window?
Yes, it is. I like to look outside when I'm thinking. It helps me relax.
That sounds lovely. My favorite room in my house is the living room.
Oh, tell me about it. Is it big?
I think it's medium-sized. It has a big, soft sofa and a very large rug on the floor.
What color is the sofa?
It's dark green, and I have yellow cushions on it.
Dark green and yellow. That sounds very stylish.
Thank you. I also have a lot of plants in the corner. They make the room feel fresh.
I have plants too, but I have a small problem.
Oh no, what's the problem?
I forget to water them. They look a little sad right now.
Jackson, you need a reminder on your phone. Water the plants.
That's a good idea. I'll do that after this episode.
So, what about your kitchen? Do you like to cook?
I do. My kitchen is small, but it has everything I need. A stove, a fridge, and a microwave.
Do you have a table in the kitchen, or do you eat in the living room?
I have a small table with 2 chairs. I usually eat breakfast there.
Breakfast is the best meal of the day. I love coffee and toast in the morning.
Me too. But I have a funny story from this morning.
A story? I'm listening.
I was making toast. I put the bread in the toaster and went to the bathroom.
Okay, and then?
I heard a loud pop and smelled something bad.
Oh no! Did you burn the toast?
Yes, it was completely black. The kitchen was full of smoke.
Jackson, you can't leave the kitchen when the toaster is on.
I know. Lesson learned. No more black toast.
At least your kitchen is clean now.
Yes, very clean. But my neighborhood was noisy too.
Your neighborhood? Isn't it usually quiet?
Usually, yes. It's a quiet neighborhood with trees and a small park.
That sounds perfect.
But this morning, there was a big truck on my street.
A truck? Were they moving?
No, they were fixing the road. Very loud. Boom, boom, crash.
That's the worst.
I had to close all the windows.
My neighborhood is very different.
Tell me about it.
It's busy. Lots of shops, a supermarket, and many cafes.
That sounds convenient.
It is. The supermarket is 5 minutes away.
Do you have a bakery nearby?
Yes, on the corner. The smell of fresh bread every morning.
Now I'm hungry.
Do you know your neighbors?
Some of them. One neighbor has a small dog.
Does it bark?
Yes, but it's a friendly bark.
That's cute.
I also had a surprising moment at home.
Another one?
I was sitting on my balcony, reading a book.
You have a balcony? I'm jealous.
A small one. And suddenly, a blue bird landed on my lap.
Wow, that's beautiful.
We looked at each other, then it flew away.
That's a peaceful moment. Homes should feel like that.
I agree. Even with burnt toast.
Even then.
If you're enjoying this episode, don't forget to like the video.
Subscribe to Speak English with Ease and share it with a friend.
And comment home below.
Tell us, do you live in a house or an apartment?
Let's quickly review.
We talked about houses and apartments.
Rooms like the kitchen, living room, and office.
We talked about furniture, neighbors, and neighborhoods.
And noisy trucks.
And burnt toast.
Before we go, one bonus tip.
Tell us.
Use sticky notes in your house. Write door on the door, fridge on the fridge.
That's a brilliant idea.
In 1 week, you'll know all the words.
Thank you, Jackson.
You're welcome.
That's all for today.
Thank you so much for listening.
Tell us about your favorite room.
We love reading your comments.
See you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.